So this just came in the mail. This is a Hoover cleaning tools set for Concept One. I bought this on eBay. I don't remember how much, but it wasn't expensive. It was maybe like $20, maybe $30. I don't remember. It wasn't a terrible amount for one of these. It's interesting. This is from Kmart. There's the tag on it. The distribution center. Now this is what I got in here. I don't know why this came with this, because this is for a dial-o-matic. However, I do have a dial-o-matic, so that's a plus anyway. It's just not here. It's at my dad's. And I don't think this has ever been used. Now, what I will say though is when I bought the listing, I thought that this was beige, but to be honest, I don't really care. I think this probably would have been to match the blue and gray or gray on gray vacuums that they made of the Concept One. But of course, this will still work just fine. It's just a little bit of a different color. See, it's not going to match that plastic, but again, it's an accessory set, so it's not a big deal. Here's the part that you attach to the bottom, because these Concept Ones, unlike newer vacuums and the dial-o-matic, or actually I should say most vacuums, you have a hose that you attach to the back and you flip it over to, you know, the accessory mode, or some, like the newer Hoovers, my mom has, I think, a wind tunnel. You pull the hose out of the side and then attach stuff to that. Well, these, you actually just attach to the bottom where the brush roll is. Here's the instruction book there. And we get one of the little reducers. I guess this is for upholstery, and an extender. So just a basic set here. But that's about all I need anyway. The reducer is the main thing I use with most any vacuum that has one of these. So that's really all I wanted anyways. I don't think I'd need the deluxe set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this all attached. And then I guess I will start cleaning up this chair that I got recently, because it's got a little bit of dirt in it. Kind of cool about this little attachment here is that you get a wheel so that the vacuum will actually still roll around. All right, I have it all connected up with a little reducer on it. Now I will vacuum this chair a bit. And that seems like it did a pretty good job. I didn't get quite back here, so there's still some dust or crumbs or whatever those are there, but up here it's pretty clean. So yeah, a very nice nifty attachment for this vacuum, which I couldn't really do this before, but now I can because I have the tool set. One other thing I'd like to mention, this is a bit off topic, but it is on the topic of the Concept One. I bought these Hoover A bags at Lowe's, and the box was a little bit dusty, but this just kind of goes to show that pretty much the bagless vacuum cleaners have taken over, because yeah, this expired 2 years ago, that coupon, and this was just off the shelf, so these have definitely been there a while. These are Febreze bags. I probably would have gotten odorless bags if they had them, but honestly, I thought I wouldn't like the smell, but it's not bad. I don't hate it. So there's that. That is all for now. Thank you for watching.